Welcome back. I hope you are doing wonderful. In the previous lectures of the HDFS section, we understood many aspects of HDFS. HDFS is a Hadoop distributed file system, which is a storage layer of Hadoop ecosystem. All the data you want to store in HDFS is stored in file format. How do we really work with HDFS? Through HDFS commands. HDFS commands are very easy. Most of the HDFS commands are like Unix commands. If you already well versed with Unix, it is easy peasy. Very easy to start with the HDFS commands. If not, they are not that difficult. Also, you can easily get used to it. As I said, if you have any Unix command, assuming that you have ls, all you have to do is you have to prefix this ls with hdfs dfs -ls. So this is a Unix command. You have to prefix this with the hdfs dfs, then we'll be able to work with hdfs. It is as simple as that. To have a hands-on in HDFS, we need to have a environment. As a part of this course, we want to practice the HDFS commands on Google Cloud Platform. Before you get on to the practical of HDFS, we presume you would have already signed up with the Google Cloud Platform. If you are not, I would suggest you to visit our installation section and sign up for the Google Cloud Platform by following the steps mentioned in the video. After that, come back to this particular video. So I presume you would have already signed up with the Google Cloud Platform. You would have created the cluster and you would have created the storage area. After that, you click on this SSH. That will take you to one of the VMs. This VM is almost like any VM with Linux operating system. If I say ls, nothing is there. By the way, this is a Linux command. Let's go ahead and create a directory called Blissmas Academy. I created directory. If you go and say ls, we have Blissmas Academy. Let us get into that. Do we have anything within the folder? Nothing is there. No aliens here. So now let's go ahead and create one file. The name of the file is grit.txt. Insert. This is wonderful session. We created a file called grid.txt in Blissmas Academy folder. Remember, we are working in the local system now. That is a Linux system. Now, let us start executing some HDFS commands. The first one being, how do we get to know the version of the Hadoop which is installed here? Very, very simple. Just say Hadoop version. There you go. In this system, we have Hadoop 3.2.2 installed. The next command being, if you want to check the free space, you can go ahead and say HDFS DFS. You can see this is a command to check the free space. This is HDFS command. You have a lot of space available. Next command is, we can go ahead and count the number of directories, files, and bytes under the path which you specify. Let us go ahead and check. But as of now, we do not have any directory within HDFS? We never know. Let us go ahead and check that. HDFS DFS hyphen ls. There is already some directories here. What we'll do is we'll just go ahead and say HDFS DFS hyphen count. It counts the files and directories in this particular path. Let's go ahead and check what is the count of the directories or files within user. If you see, it is displaying as 9. So you can just check what is there inside the user by ls command. HDFS DFS -ls. Remember, this user directory is there within the HDFS. Whenever we are executing any commands by prefixing HDFS DFS, we are working with HDFS. If you see, user directory is there as a part of the HDFS. Within that, we have other directories like HBase, HDFS, Hive, MapRed, Pig, Spark, Yarn, and Zookeeper. If you want to check the health of the Hadoop ecosystem, we can use fsck command. How do we do that? Very, very simple. It is HDFS, fsck. Wonderful. The file system under path is healthy. Now, if you see, it says status is healthy. Number of data nodes is 1, number of fracs is 1, total directory is 23. It is giving all the information about what is the replicated blocks and all those things. To check the Hadoop ecosystem is healthy or not, we use a command fsck. We already use the ls command. Now, how do we create a directory within HDFS? Very simple. HDFS DFS. I'm trying to see what are the different directories here. HDFS DFS -ls. There are 3 directories. We'll go ahead and create one more directory. HDFS DFS -make dir. Then provide big data HDFS. We are creating a directory called big data HDFS within the HDFS. If I go and check, we did create a big data HDFS directory within HDFS. Do we have anything here? Not really. But let us go ahead and check. Nothing is there. We can create an empty file by using a touch command. And to print the file contents, the way we use a cat command in Unix, the same thing you can use it here also. Let's go ahead and create an empty file here. HDFS, DFS, touch. Then I want to create a file within directory big data HDFS, and the file name is my first HDFS file.txt. Wonderful. We created this. How do I check whether it is there or not? Let's go ahead and execute ls command. You can see we created this, but it is empty. Nothing is there here. To check the contents of the file, we can use the cat command. Instead of touch, use the cat command. Ideally, nothing is there here. Next command is copy from local. This is one of the very important command because we often what we do is we want to copy a file from a local system into HDFS. What copy from local does is it copies a file in the local system. In this case, we have this is a local system. This is a virtual machine. From here, we have a file called grid.txt. If you want to copy this from this local system into HDFS, we got to use the command copy from local. Let's go ahead and use that. HDFS DFS -copy from local, and provide the name of the file, grid text, and provide the path where you want to copy this file. I want to copy this file to a directory big data HDFS. Grid.text is in the working directory. That is why we are not providing the local path here. So we are trying to copy a file from the local path to a destination directory in HDFS. There you go. Let's check whether this file is copied or not. It is. You can see grid.txt is copied into HDFS directory. Let's cat and see what is the content of this file. The way we can do that is, so this one, I'm checking the file, then instead of this, I'll say cat command here, grid.text. We are opening a file which is stored in HDFS directory. We copied a grid.txt from a local system into HDFS directory, and we are checking the contents of the file in HDFS directory. Please do practice these commands. Thank you.